hut here.
Yes.
Whoa! It's a bamboo hut, guys.
Not a live hut, it's burnt here.
Yeah, guys, it has been burned and
Dark history behind this.
yeah.
They made it long.
Aesthetic hut.
It looks so aesthetic, and
Yeah, it does.
it seems like we can take a lot of pictures and make a photo shoot here.
Wow, guys, so good.
Would have happened.
Sky
here.
is so cloudy, and
I
then
think what would have happened. There is some fight happened, and this was a
somebody
tea shop.
burnt it.
Yeah, this was a tea shop, and somebody burned it. See,
Completely
there is a
moving
back door. There is a back door here. Wow, guys, this is such a beautiful hut. Wow, I'm going to come all the way from that side. You guys wait there. Guys, this is so beautiful. See the view of the hut. It has been broken, and I think this was actually might be a restaurant or
anything can be like.
or it can also be a house.
There are
You know?
lot of mushrooms.
Yeah, and it can also be a house, but somewhere they thought of moving out.
Look at this.
Bro, it can even cause itching.
Shit.
Yeah,
Go sanitize.
Be very careful, guys.
and you touched all of your face.
God is going to get itchy.
Guys, such a beautiful hut, man. This is so good. This is better than any of the resorts. Wow. Amazing. I can see.
So good.
So good, guys. I just fell into one of these holes.
I think here also there might be this kind
Yeah, I think these are separation. No, rooms.
They removed and
They have it in between.
No idea.
this view is so good.
Guys, it is so amazing.
Sky is separated with the woods.
Wow.
Not only this, look around, guys.
Quite sturdy.
Wow. This is a long view, guys. Wow. Amazing, guys. Guys, this is not the only view. Guys, you gonna see this? Guys, you wanna see this? Guys, you wanna see this? This is the center of Earth. I have to say this, guys, because everyone, come on.
I am exhausted, but this deserves this.
Guys, this is the center of Earth. We are standing in the center of Earth.
People will believe this.
Yeah, I'll tell you why. Guys, look
know
it
that?
around. Guys, this is full
I understood
of
why.
mountains around us.
Now I can see why Earth is round in shape.
Yeah, see?
Because see, it is
Can you
also-
see the roundness now?
Yeah, I
Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it a spear
It's
or
not.
a circle? That's my question right now.
It's the spear.
Then it's circle.
Guys, this is so amazing, guys. A lot. Like, look at that. This is the Lambasingi that nobody will see. You just come visit the viewpoint and go. Don't do that. Guys, come to such
Place has
locations.
got some other kind of sand also. This is a
Guys,
beauty
this
that
is.
you
Yeah, see the red sand?
It's like a beach sand in red color. It's like that there.
Guys, amazing, guys. Look at that area. There is a water reservoir there and also a mountain. Wow, guys, there is a lot of it. I can't explain this. I'm so sorry. I'm running out of words. If you guys are thinking I'm using a lot of these things, but I'm running out of words, guys. Please let me know if you guys are also enjoying this. Wow. Every reason. See that? See that?
I
Wow.
want to go there on top of the tree.
Uh-huh. Guys, our car is right there, parked.
And if you guys also want to visit here, this is Tejangi village, just little bit far away from the
Tejangi village.
Tejangi village, 6 kilometers away from Lambasingi, and you can be in this beautiful spot.
Ah, guys, this is the beauty, guys. This is Lambasingi. This is the Kashmir of South India. Don't expect snow. Only in December. You know what is it? October
to
January.
December,
is
January.
the time, guys. This is off season, but still you can enjoy this place very much. Look at it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
360 degrees.
360 view of
Amazing.
That
Perfect.
hut became so small now.
Yeah, guys, that was a hut we went.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
This is so nice. Amazing. Shit.
There is a lot of cattle, guys. They just came out of the bath. They were bathing in that area.
That is a nice place for bathing.
Okay, guys, so we have a lot more to go to Araku. So we're starting our journey from here. We're getting inside.
Okay.
Guys, this is a tribal hut that we just went inside. We are starting our journey from here. We reached the road. We were off road. On road now. Guys, we starting the road now. It's a long travel, guys. I actually love this site. Look at this. Both the sides. Yeah.
It's very nice.
It's having a different look. As a Araku Lambasinghi is a hill station, it's very different from other hill stations. You can see there is a lot of cultivations on both the side. There is turmeric, there is paddy, and guys, right now we are going this area. There is a lot of tribal people living here, so we might be seeing.
And all these plants seem like they are going back, and we are just static. the frame, the whole scenario is like that, just like how we travel in train. It's so nice, man, and I'm excited to see.
View is amazing and every view is very
Not that much house.
Guys, I think everyone should get out of their thing and go and make a trip and just enjoy nature. This is so amazing, guys.
Exactly. Why
Look
don't
at
they-
that! Oh my God, guys! This is such a big reveal.
Why don't people come this way, man? Like, I still doubt. They just go
Wow,
for.
guys! Look at the side. Both the sides, fields with the mountain. This is like
they
an
will go for the
open earth.
sightseeing, and they never come here for seeing this local things and all.
Wow,
This is the
guys.
original beauty of Lambasinghi. Yeah,
This is so
the road
nice.
became
This is
huge.
so narrow. This is so nice.
The trees and mountains became huge, and suddenly the road seems so small.
Suddenly the earth feels like it's open.
Oh my God.
Wow, guys,
Very
this is
few
so nice.
houses.
There's only less
Yeah.
people living here.
Very few houses. Oh yeah, I think it's a village place. We can see a lot of houses here and there,
Yeah.
autos, people living.
I think that's a
remember-
small school, temple, everything for a small, town. It's there. Wow,
Oh,
guys.
guys.
See,
Amazing
it's just like, endless. This road is so
Like,
endless.
you have to take such a travel even once in your life at least, and you have to explore yourself.
Wow, guys,
Obviously.
look at that. This is
we
so
go to that
good.
hill?
You can't see where the road
We
is.
can go to the hill.
Bro, look at that. On the other side, it's field. On this side, it's all green. Yeah.
It's a carpet.
Hope I can live here for a while, but we are traveling right now.
Guys, there is. A lot of villages here. I think this is their farm. You can see them farming here. This is the step-by-step farming, guys. Step farming. Wow. It's so beautiful. In between, they are planting these big trees. You can see it like this. They're planting in between trees also, guys. Yeah. Guys, this is the paddy fields we saw from the top. Yeah. Bro, other side.
Guys, oops, our view got vlogged. Look at the other side. Beautiful mountains and plantations going on. Amazing. Just imagine standing on the top of that mountain and seeing the whole view and enjoying the cool wind. Amazing road.
Shit! Guys! Beautiful, guys. We are so close to mountains. So guys, on this roadside you will see a lot of such villages. So on the way, we'll show you one of the villages where they do farming, and they are also one of the native local tribes here. So we'll be able to see that. So we're heading to that place, guys. It will be so amazing. We are also having the first experience of that, and I hope you guys will also love it. Guys, this is like a wonderland. going down. Wow. Yes, guys. This is an amazing ride. You can see the whole mountain from here, and we're going even down, guys. I think we're climbing down the mountain. This is the shortcut route. It's so steep. Oh Lord! Guys, this is so amazing. There's a lot of curves, guys. We climbed, all the hairpins. Oh my Lord! Will that go? Guys, we're taking reverse. It might be a really. We're going through the sides, guys. Okay. Wow, guys, look at that. This is green. Okay. These are different shades of green, guys. Different shades. I think we just climbed down one mountain and we are, climbing another one. This is a small hairpin road. This is not the usual road, guys. This is not all the usual roads. These are the small roads that the villagers use. There is one tree that is here, which is cut down. Guys, these are small hairpins. Wow, man. Guys, we saw a lot of kids here. Bye. How are you guys? Good. Ella unnaru. Sorry. Wow, man. Guys, we're going to Kottapalli Falls. It is in one of these mountains. We are going on the way there. These all are mud roads from here on. The road just finished from this point. Okay, so we're going to off-road from here. It's going to be very jerky inside. I hope the backbenches are okay. Oh Lord. Oh God, we have to come through these places in Jeep, guys. These all are small. There will be a tree on the middle of these roads to, mark the curvature. Man, I can see that hill, that mountain there. It is just so proud. It's standing, Wow, just amazing. Guys, this is all off-road.
This is nice, guys. Look at this. The road is completely very much textured.
It's changing.
Yeah.
Two roads will change. First will be regular.
Oh shit, I don't think we can go quick faster on this road or anymore.
Oh, guys, look at
We
that.
need to go slow
Oh,
with
wow. This is.
Guys, we can see some people here. Okay, let's ask them where is the falls. Guys, these are the huts that we saw before. See, these can be tea shops or resting places.
ఈ రోడ్ బానే ఉందా అన్నా ఈ రోడ్ బానే ఉందా
Yeah, we can go. Wow.
Guys, amazing view. Just look at it. Amazing. We can see plantations. We're on the mountain going up again, and it's very cold, very windy, and an amazing view. We're going up again through small roads.
Yes, guys.
Enjoying it.
Whoa. Guys, behind me, it's an amazing view. Wow, we're going to Kottapalli Falls. I think we'll take a while to reach there. It's a long way, I guess. You know, going through these off-road places, it'll take time, guys. Nah, bro.
Look at that peak, guys. Can you see that? There is one mountain where if you go there, you can touch the clouds from there.
Wow.
It's that near to the sky, and I can see clouds passing through there. Oh my god. Imagine us going there and enjoying the view.
Wow, guys.
And here there are some plantations which look similar to eucalyptus, but it's not eucalyptus.
Uh-huh.
There are few cows, and
This is
oh,
small
there is a
stream
small
here.
stream of water where cattle can come and have water and go back.
Uh-huh.
And there are few plantations.
Wow,
going on.
guys, there's an amazing village view here.
Okay, this is why we're seeing cattle again. Village.
I think it's a cattle shed that I'm seeing here.
So guys, I hope you guys liked today's road trip, only road trip. And if you guys liked today's video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Till then, bye.